Daniel's ordering
Go-gurt or apple slices?
Go-gurt.
Go-gurt?
So
Yes, and then let me get the quarter pounder meal with the Dr. Pepper.
I'm gonna be staying here for 9 hours. Yeah, 9 hours.
Me, but yes, that's fine. Thank you.
The last 3 hours tomorrow.
Thank you.
We're gonna drive. So yeah, because we're going to Dallas to visit my new baby cousin Ainsley, Ella, and that's all.
Yeah.
So yeah. Hey, my mommy's vlogging. I'm a vlogger now.
There we go. This is a vlogging family.
So we are out here in Tyler right now at my parents' farm, and we are having a shoot-off to see who can have the best score. We're just shooting a little 22. It's actually my mom's 22. So highest score wins.
Mine's been having malfunctions, so we can't use mine.
Yeah, his 22 is a little older, and so the heat out here keeps warping his barrel, and so it keeps jamming up. So we're using my mom's anyway.
I'm vlogging too right now.
Yeah, and the little one's vlogging too. So anyway, we'll be right back.
Left one.
That's exactly what I'm saying. See you guys later.
Hang on.
Bye.
Killed the branch.
We're not here to kill people. Remember, Peyton? Other way. Other side. Alright, for these ones, you have to get the arrow pointing up.
Oh, wait. I'm going to try what's my opposite hand.
Oh, trying it with the righty? Well, that was a pretty shot. Just
Put your shoulder in your belly. No. Ooh, don't move. My turn. Are you aiming at it?
Yeah.
And when you get ready, you pull the trigger.
Yeah. Will it like
Yeah,
back?
a little bit.
Pull the trigger. Pull it.
Not bad.
Pull the
Oh
trigger.
my gosh. Put it on your shoulder.
Okay.
Woo! Yay! Ainsley, you having a good time?
Hey guys, welcome back to my show, Payton-Jo Show. Today we're going to be doing the stick it challenge. The stick it challenge is where you have to like not move after the move that you've done. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to be doing is bounce up, bounce, bounce, bounce up like that, and bounce, then down.
You don't want to watch?
What? My brother is doing the slot machine. He's gonna win, I think. So here. Dang it. He got 2 oranges and 1.
Yeah, I got something.
He got some money. Can I do one?
These are mine. These are my money.
Dang it. No, please work on this last turn.
Orange? Dang it. Oh, they
You
just
could've
steal
got
your
two.
money.
Rude. So I'm going to get back to my room to do the stick challenge now. Okay. I'm gonna set you down. Okay, let's go. Let's do a thing. Wait. That's what I'm gonna be doing, except 3 more. Okay, ready? And go. Let me go back here where you guys can't see me. Ow! Okay, let me do that again. And the rules are if I don't stick it, I have to do the ABCs all the way, even the song at the end. After Z, like, now I know your ABCs next time once you sing with me. That one. And I have to say as fast as we can. In under a minute. So, let's get started. Hang on. Ready, go. I stuck it. Oh wait, no I didn't. Fine. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs and next time I want you to sing with me. Okay, done. Ready, and go.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Remember, find your lip, corner of your lip.
I don't know those like just square ones like that.
Okay, but what I was looking at is you get 7 of the different combo
guys,
cakes.
Good
on this
job.
one.
Payton-Jo shows. We are eating breakfast. It is sausage and eggs. And
Are you sitting next to Poppy or me?
huh?
Are you sitting
Yeah.
there or here?
Here.
You move.
I eat only one sausage and everyone else gets 2 except.
Order as one, Peyton, and if you want
Order.
more, you can go back in a minute.
Yay! So we get 1 sausage and some eggs for me and Porter, my brother, and everyone else gets 2. That's so sad. Okay. So today we're going to jump. If you haven't seen my video yesterday, you can come see it today because I'm going to be doing it. And my mom is going to be videotaping today. So, yeah. jump is where, if you haven't heard of it, it's where you...
Porter, breakfast is on the table, son.
It's where you go at a place and you can jump for an hour for $18 on just a regular trampoline. And you can also, if you haven't heard this, you can go hear it from my besties. Their names, not my besties, but like I watch their shows. Their name is Smelly Belly TV. They've done it. And so you please check that out and give them some comments, give some likes, and so yeah, we're gonna be going there today. And there's also an obstacle play.
Get it over with before we eat.
There's an obstacle course, and it's a Ninja Warrior obstacle course. It's like real Ninja Warrior. So I'll see you guys
Son,
next
everybody's
time.
sitting at the table.
Bye. About to leave to I jump, and there, if you haven't been there, it's where there's like,
Jojo, you've told them that 3 times now, honey. You do realize that.
I know.
So you don't just keep repeating it.
So we're about to leave, and my mom's uploading her
Honey, there's a
pictures,
55, 58.
and I owe my brother no money because I gave my brother a deal, and he said that if my grandpa wasn't in the bedroom, that he had to give me a doll. I said he's not in the bedroom, but I had crosses in the back of my hand when I shook his hand, so it didn't count. So he was saying I have to give him $1. I don't. He doesn't get it. Poor guy. So once we get there, I will be bringing it with me, so you guys can see what really is there if you haven't been there. And I bet it's really cool. And I'm going on one of the trampolines that are really cool. It's a foam pit. It's a foam pit place, and a foam pit is where there's like little blocks, and you can go there and you can jump on there, and then once you do a flip or something, you land in the foam, and it wouldn't hurt if you fell in your butt or something. So yeah, I'll see you guys later when we get there, I think.